Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hi, good afternoon. This is your teacher BJ from JMMA Kaiwa, and I'll be your teacher today. May I have your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Jun. Call me Jun, please.
Jim. Are you in Japan?
No, yeah,
You're
so,
in Taiwan?
yeah, so I'm Taiwanese
Uh,
now. I live in Taiwan.
Taiwan is okay. Thank you. Because I thought you were Japanese. That's why I put san.
Sure, that's
Sorry for
that's
that.
fine. Yeah, that's normal. Since
Uh,
I know because I use DNN,
DMM.
not in Gu. Yeah,
That's okay. Anyway, first of all, good afternoon. How's your day?
yeah, a little busy. Yeah, recently I do a lot of work. Yeah, because we have a bigger event next week.
A lot of work.
Yeah,
Okay, that's normal. That's normal.
yeah.
80% of my students are exactly like you, uh, office workers. Anyway, before we continue, I'd like to check the connection. Can you hear me and see me clearly?
Yeah, I can see you. So, how about you?
It's good. It's nice. I can see that you're inside the office. Um,
Yes, sure.
First, let's do. Is it okay if we do self introduction?
Sure. Yeah, sure. Because the topic we are talking about today, I prefer to let talking about the interview. So
Oh,
the first,
interview.
yeah. So the first question, usually is, tell me about yourself.
Yes. Okay. So, actually, we will not do introduction anymore.
Mm-hmm.
We will go straight to the interview. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You could make a simulation
Yeah.
for interview.
Yeah, exactly. We will do that. But what are you going to apply for? What kind of interview? Business interview, accounts
Phone
interview,
interview.
for another job?
Yeah, for other job.
Okay, let's do this. Okay. What kind of job?
Uh, Engineer for IT support engineer. Yeah,
IT support. Okay.
yeah.
Software or
So,
hardware?
huh? What?
Software. Okay. Software.
Software. Yeah.
Software. Okay.
So do you?
So
Mm-hmm.
let's start with the simulation.
Uh,
Good morning. This is your proctor. My name is Teacher BJ.
yes.
May I have your name, please?
Yeah. My name is Yong Yun Chen. You can call me Jun. Jun, please. Here is
Jim.
the application I found from your company. Yeah.
Okay, I am gonna have to read it a
Mm-hmm.
little bit, just a little bit.
Okay.
Cloudflare, Mandarin, engineer support, Cloudflare today, one word starts, blah blah blah, customers. Okay, big company, blah blah blah. Blah. Wow. Okay, let's do this now. I know a little bit about IT, but I'm not that updated anymore, so I will not ask you about those. Um, uh, let's start with okay, Jim. Tell me about yourself. Where are you from?
Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm Jim. So I'm from Taiwan. I started my IT job since 2008. So my first IT job is uh, quality assurance engineer. Yeah. So in 2008 I joined the HP company and as a
HP.
HP, yeah, HP company, World Enterprise, international enterprise company. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Um, you said you are a QA engineer. What do you assess? What kind of products do you assess? What kind of products do you check?
okay. So in quality assurance engineer, so I test the my major responsibility is testing the graphic card module with various motherboard platform. Yeah.
Good. Graphics.
And try to find the bugs or any weird issue to help the partner solve it. Yeah. Find more
Okay.
bug means your performance is better. Yeah.
Actually, I work for Dell.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're enemies.
So what the job position you did?
I work for home support. So I basically send out Indian technicians to the whole houses of the American people. If I have to send out a part, I can contact your department. No, not your department. The warehouse to send out a part. We either troubleshoot on the phone. If we cannot troubleshoot on the phone, I send out someone to the house
To
to
the
check
house.
out. Yeah, to the house to trouble. Basically, I talk with the customers themselves.
Oh yeah, sounds like call center. Not
Uh,
really.
Kinda. The call center will call us, and then we are the one who will handle the on-site repair, something
Oh,
like that.
okay. So, but it's not
But
past.
still connected to warranty.
Okay.
Anyway, let's go back to your interview.
Okay, sure.
Okay, QA engineer, IT since 2008. I am from Taiwan. Is this job in Taiwan or is it in
No,
China?
job is located in Singapore.
Singapore. Okay. Um, there are a lot of jobs available for you, especially in the IT department in China, in Taiwan, even in Japan, or you can even go far to California.
Uh-huh.
Why did you pick this one in Singapore?
Yeah, sure. Because I say Singapore is the one of the important and how do I say biggest transportation in Southeast. Yeah, Southeast, Southeast Asia.
Asia.
Yeah, and Singapore also could offer many IT jobs. So, and that's one of the reasons. So the important thing for me is I want to change to challenge myself
Good.
to work with very many people who come from other countries and work with them. Yeah. To
Various people
yeah.
from different. Continue. Countries.
And I think it may help me to expand my vision and learning the the thing, learning a lot of things. Something like the method to solve the problem from others and
Okay.
to improve myself. Also the language ability. Yeah.
Okay. So you have good intent. You desire to go here for your experience, to be able to work together with other people from different places of the world, collaborate and learn from them.
Collaborate
So
with like yes.
so you will get a lot if you get the job, right?
I
You,
yeah, I
you
hope
will learn
so.
a lot.
Yeah.
Now let's reverse it.
Okay.
What will our company get from you if I hire you today? So
Okay.
what can you give the company?
Okay. What I can give the company is I think my work experience is almost matches your requirements. So because of I saw the your requirement need to speak Mandarin and English, and also would like the candidate has the supported experience. So I have both of those. Yeah, since Mandarin is my native uh, language, and now my current job position is also IT support. Okay, now
Let's
yeah.
let's get out of the interview a little bit.
Okay,
Never say almost.
almost. No,
Don't say
never say.
almost.
So how do
Don't
I
say
say?
almost.
How do
Just
I say
say
it's better?
I fit
I fit.
your criterias, or I can excel at the criterias that you need. Mandarin is my native language. I have been speaking it for decades, and I can speak in English too. And I believe I can my job experience can support your company very well. I can I can take my experience from HP
Mm-hmm.
to your company, and I believe I can give as much as I can take. I can teach as much as I can learn to other technicians. So never put yourself very low.
Okay.
Um, I know it sounds bad to be boastful, but do not ever say, "I almost fit your profile." It's like, "Oh, you almost fit your profile, our profile." this person fit our profile, you'll go down a little bit there.
Oh,
So
okay.
be um, sound confident and speak confidently. So the sounds and the words should both be confident. I can
Sounds of
see you are
water
very
should be
confident.
confident.
Yes.
Oh,
So sometimes your voice is confident, but when you say almost, almost is not a confident
not
word.
very sure. It's me not very sure.
Exactly. You're not sure. So if the interviewer is a bad person, he will say, "You are a QA engineer. It's quality assurance. You should always be sure in quality assurance, right?
Mm-hmm.
So be careful there."
Oh, you
Let's
say a
see.
lot, but I can remember
Um, uh,
right away. Yeah.
um, I'll type something. Never put yourself down. One.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Don't
rem.
say yeah. That don't say almost. Okay, it is.
Yeah, it's either 0 or 1.
Okay.
If they say, "Do you know how to use PHP?"
Uh-huh.
You can say, "No, I don't know how to use PHP because I'm not a programmer. My
Uh-huh.
mastery is
Okay.
this." Got it? So everyone will have weaknesses and strengths. Remember that you only have weaknesses and strength. There's no
Yes.
almost. Got it? So in terms of computer language, it's 0 and 1.
In terms of, I usually heard this first of all, but but I usually forgot what is that. What does that mean?
In terms of, that means in the terminology of or in the language of. Language. In terms of computer language. So if we are talking about computer language,
Uh-huh.
it's like 0 and 1,
What?
off and on,
Oh,
like
zero.
binary.
Binary.
Yes, there's no almost in binary. It's only 0 and 1. So I don't know how to code, but I am great at this. Something like that. Let's continue. Um, we actually need a lot of people right now, and I do believe that you fit the job description. My question to you now is, well, we actually don't just need employees. We need someone that can climb the ladder and become a leader. Tell me about your leadership skills.
My leadership skill. Okay, so in the past experience, so when I work for the SKC company, so
HTC.
SKC is a cinema. It's a local company in Taiwan.
Okay.
Yeah. So I my one of my responsibility is vendor management. So I need to collaborate with the vendor and manage them uh, to reach our IT requirement. For example, sometimes I need to purchase the IT equipment. Yeah, to expand our IT environment, and I need
Okay. Sacrifice.
to sacrifice.
Okay. Continue.
Yeah, to sacrifice our IT environment, and I need to supervise them to meet can do it just in time and without the delay and the function failure. Yeah.
Okay. This job. When will you start for this job? If you get in.
If I get hit, you
Yes.
mean the past
If you get
past.
hired, if you
Uh-huh.
pass the interview and everything, when will you be able to start in Singapore?
Oh yeah, I think I need take a time to prepare it. Just
One
one
month.
month. Yeah.
1 month. Okay, so it's March 2019. So let's say that you passed, and I give you 1 month so that you can have like a 30-day warning to your previous company and prepare. So April 2019.
April 2019.
Let's say
Yeah.
that you will start April 2019.
Uh huh.
I want you to imagine yourself
Uh huh.
5 years from now. What will change about you 5 years from now if we hire you
Mhm.
today? So that would be April 2024. How do you see yourself in April to
2024.
2024?
Yeah, I think I will be in 2024 April. I will be the leader, IT leader, to manage the various vendor to meet our IT requirement. And also I have some IT agent to uh, they can handle with all of the IT process or IT business daily processes well. Yeah,
Okay. So
and
you are
I
goal oriented.
also
Continue.
I also aggregate, or I also I don't know how to say that word,
Try.
to aggregate more and more things, get
Ah,
more and more things, the
im-
experience
improve
the
on. Are you talking about the company or yourself?
myself.
Uh, um, I'm thinking of improving myself more, or I'm thinking about if you're talking about promotion, I'm looking into getting more and more promotion, but
Not really promotion. I mean the experience.
skill. Ah,
Yeah, you learn more and more experience 1 year and 1 year, 1 day and one
that's
day. Yeah,
that's good enough. Improve on my collect more experiences,
yeah,
or like I don't know, hoard experiences if you want to be strong with your message.
yeah.
In 5 years, I would have hoarded a lot of experiences from this company.
Hold a lot of experience in uh for this company, for especially I may could to deliver the way by my own to solve the problem, to help the user to solve their problem, and could exactly accumulate what the really problem they have, and could
Okay.
solve it in a short time.
So yeah, exactly. That's the important word there. Short time.
Yeah,
So your short time goal is to be able to become around the IT leader, IT management area,
yeah,
and to acquire more experiences. So that's
yeah.
5 years. How about your long term goal? What's your long term desire? What's gonna happen to you in April 2029?
Yeah. Yeah, I
That's
think
10 years.
after 5 years, I'm not just only
10.
the leader. Oh, 10. Yeah, I may be cool a manager. Not only to focus the IT field, I need to expand my vision about other business, or to
Business. Yes.
collaborate with other departments, help the company growth and growth a year per year.
Good.
Yeah.
Um, Earlier, I asked you why we should hire you. You mentioned about your experiences and abilities. You mentioned about your characteristics. Now tell me something bad. Why should I not hire you?
So you are asking me about my weaknesses. Do
Yes.
you? Okay. I think my weakness is sometimes I to try to research the problem, help the user to solve their problem. To find the loopholes take a little more time.
Yeah. You research
Yeah,
a lot to give service.
yeah. So because I just want to find the loopholes and record it to prevent record it, and if I meet the problem in the future, I could solve it in the short time and effectively. Yeah.
Okay. You're here. You're talking about some problems with customers. Um, do you also experience this in other aspects of your job?
Other aspects.
Like maybe collaboration with teammates, maybe talking with clients instead of customers. Because if your problem with you researching too long for your customers, if that also happens inside the house, inside the office,
Mm-hmm.
it can be a time management problem.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I know. Mm, that's what that's I and now I'm trying to correct this situation.
What ha-
Yeah, I
what
may
are you doing to correct it?
yeah I if I will watch the time clock. If sometimes I find the problem is more complex, so that I cannot solve in time. So I may just take hold down to talk to the clients or the customer.
Okay.
So please hold on. We need more time to research and to help you. So if
Good.
I could find a way to solve the problem, yeah, we would notice you as soon as possible.
Very
Yeah.
good. So always do that. Whenever you say something bad, this is bad. Make sure that there's one bad. Make sure that you put like 5 good above
Uh,
that. So you'll say, I don't know how to read, but I'm good at pretending, something like that.
I'm good for
So
pretending.
pretending to read. Just make sure that if there's a negative,
Uh-huh.
you have something a lot better. If there's a limitation, there will be a solution.
Uh-huh.
Got it? Even if they are not asking about solution,
Uh-huh.
make sure that you should tell them that you have a solution.
Yeah, sure.
Got it?
Just I would not to let the client or customer to acknowledge we don't have the way or we don't have the method to help
Exactly.
them. Yeah.
You just say 0. No, it's not 0. There's more 1 coming.
No, I don't know.
Uh,
I don't know what the problem is. So just find another one. Don't bother me.
I don't know. Buy another computer or something like that. Never do that. You
Oh
will get
yeah,
kicked out.
sure.
Okay.
Yeah, we can always help you to solve any problem. Yeah, but you
Yeah.
need uh pre reserve give my some time for me for us.
Um,
No, how do I say?
yeah, just give me some time. You can say, just be patient. Our top
Preparation.
technicians, just be patient.
Oh, just be patient.
Our top, I don't like to use technician, specialists are looking into this.
How type of specialists are looking into this? Okay,
Yes.
type of specialist.
So in this way, you said that if you make it very simple, you said, just wait. I'm talking to other peoples, and they will help me fix your problem.
Uh-huh.
But that's a bad way to say it.
Oh
It's like you're
yes.
saying, I can do it. But if you say, don't worry, our top specialist is working on it for you,
Okay.
it sounds good. Um,
Since you are the type of specialist for customer support.
exactly. You're already the top. No one's higher than you. Maybe you have a manager, but your manager is a top manager, not a top specialist. So it's the same. Um, what's the thing that I want to say? Okay, in this company, you will end up talking with people from around the world.
Mm-hmm.
How comfortable are you with talking to native speakers of different accents? Australian, British, American, Canadian, and so on.
Yeah. How I talk to.
Are you confident in talking to them and having discussions with them?
Yeah, but first I may just try to praise them speaking a little bit slowly, and I could to try my best to realize what the problem they have, and yeah, if I could not handle them end up, yeah, I also to try to transfer to the top specialist to looking for it.
If I send you out to the United States to
Mm-hmm.
attend a meeting and you will be
Okay.
sent there alone,
Alone, yeah.
do you think you can handle it?
Sure. I think I still can find a way to solve the problem. Even I cannot acknowledge what they are talking because some of the pronunciation I am not familiar with.
Yes.
Yeah, but I think at least I could find a way. For example, so I can record their talk speaking voice, even the video,
Okay.
and I could
Okay, good.
review it after the meeting.
Good. Always say that. Yes, I have limitations, but I have a way to
Yeah,
take care of
even
it.
I could transfer their speaking to the scripts. That
Exactly. Or you can say, um, I bought this. And they'll say, what's that? This is nothing. This is just an example.
uh-huh.
You can say, this is a machine that when you talk to it, it will automatically translate anything you say
Oh yeah, translate
into
machine.
Mandarin.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You can buy something like that. It's very easy to buy.
Yeah.
Let's stop. Okay. I believe that your English here is higher than your English here. That means you know a lot and you have good English knowledge.
Yes.
It's just that you don't have that much English practice on
Yes.
speaking.
Yeah, especially
Um,
bourbon words. Yeah. Vocabulary.
you are actually better than most of my students from
Really?
Taiwan.
Really?
Yes, especially with pronunciation.
Uh-huh.
The biggest and the most obvious problem of my Taiwanese students would be the missing sound.
Missing sounds.
For example, eating.
Uh-huh.
Most of my Taiwanese students will say eatin. The letter G will disappear.
Uh-huh.
Or maybe president. The letter T, president. The letter T will disappear. Or sometimes the letter N will disappear. President.
Oh, okay. Pronunciation
That's
issue.
common.
Yeah. Okay.
But you also have that, but not that much.
Uh-huh. Not too much.
So that's an advantage. I only have one simple advice for you for now.
Okay.
Slow down.
Slow down.
Slow down when you're talking because IT people are like this. When you are from IT, we talk fast because we are thinking fast.
Yeah.
Try to slow down.
Yeah. So that's why it's so easy stuck with my mind.
Yes, exactly. It's like your this is your brain and this is your mouth.
Uh-huh.
Your brain is like that, and your mouth is I'm coming.
Well, yeah. They can centralize in the same time.
It's almost impossible. That is my problem. When I was in Canada, when I was with Dell,
Okay.
they're always saying, "Hey, you're talking too much. We have 17 different accents inside the office. Slow down." So slow down a little bit. Your pronunciation is quite good, but people will not hear your good pronunciation if you talk fast.
Okay.
And lastly, watch different English something, different English news with different accents. Australian, American, I don't know, Australian, British, Black American, Texas, New York accent, California accent.
Oh.
Just try to watch them in YouTube. And the good thing with YouTube is there is a control for the speed.
Okay.
If you think that the CNN newscaster is talking too fast,
Yeah, too fast.
you can adjust the speed to 0.25 or
I
0.
usually listen to the BOS
Okay.
English. Yeah, news.
If you can control that to make it faster or slower, that will help a lot.
Okay, sure.
But if you're going to Singapore, you're okay.
Singlish. But I never see the accent of Singlish.
Yours is not very. Yours is just a little Singlish. When you go to Singapore, okay, this is your English. You know it. Singaporean English is like this. It's harder for me to understand Singaporean English than your English.
Oh, yeah.
But it will be easy for you because I think you've been talking to them. Anyway, thank you for joining me today, and I'm sorry if I made the interview hard because I think it will be harder than that.
Oh,
when you
yeah,
go-
no. I really appreciate your advice is very helpful and kindness. Yeah.
Thank you. Then, well, thank you for joining
Okay.
me today. Go back to work and see you next time.
Okay. See you next time. Bye.